Y'all harass me because I'm black?
Okay. Sure, that's
I just got off work. Y'all watch me.
Roll over on your stomach.
Yo, I can't because y'all. I scratched my head.
On September the 7th, 2024, at approximately 1:16 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were on routine patrol in a high-crime neighborhood when they spotted 19-year-old Jayon Cameron riding his bike without a front headlight and on the sidewalk. When the officers tried to stop him, he decided to pedal away. But fortunately, backup was close by.
Five three. I'm 4 Victor. I responded to that 34 on Cassidy. I'll be 4 Victor up that zone.
Okay. Hey, dude, hang on 1 second. Hang on.
He's still southbound, coming up at the light.
Oh, good. Oh, that got me good.
I got anybody else in the area?
Hey, stop! Stop the fucking bike! Go. Get up! I just got to work! I just got to work, sir! I just got to work! Give me what I do!
Give me your hand.
Give me your fucking hands! Give me your goddamn hands right now! I just got to work!
You got it? Hey, somebody get handcuffs.
I just got to work!
You got your cuffs?
I just got to work! I was crossing the street, sir!
Stop moving.
I got Donato.
Sorry, my bad.
What did I do? What did I do?
You ran from the police.
You ran. I was crossing the stop sign. I didn't know y'all pulled over on me.
We good.
I didn't know y'all pulled over.
We all good. Nobody else needs
Put
to
your
run
leg
in.
down.
I just got work.
Put your leg
What did I do?
We got one detained.
What did I do? I just got work.
Quit fucking moving. Shoot yourself.
How's it, Cassidy and 14th?
Someone give him a light.
Yeah.
I just had surgery on my neck. They're about to break my neck.
Shut up.
I just had surgery on my neck, sir. Shut the fuck up. I just got work. Why y'all harassing me?
Because you're reaching for a gun.
I didn't reach for
Yes,
nothing.
you did.
I'm trying to go home.
Put your face down.
I was trying to go home, literally.
Roll over on your stomach.
Yeah. I just got work, sir. I didn't do nothing. Literally.
Yeah.
Y'all harassing me. Y'all harassing me because I'm black?
Okay. Sure, that's
I just got work. Y'all watch me.
Roll over on your stomach.
Yo, I can't because y'all. I scratched my head.
Listen.
I just got work.
Yeah,
Why so
check this out.
I just got work.
Pistol. Quit fucking moving. You'll shoot yourself.
How's it, Cassidy and 14th?
Someone give him a light.
Yeah.
I just had surgery on my neck. They're about to break my neck.
Shut up.
I just had surgery on my neck, sir.
Shut the fuck up.
I just got work. Why y'all harassing me?
Because you're reaching for a gun.
I didn't reach for
Yes,
nothing.
you did.
I'm trying to go home.
Put your face down.
I was trying to go home, literally.
Roll over on your stomach. There's a holster in there still.
Yeah. I just got work, sir. I didn't do nothing. Literally.
Yeah.
Y'all harass me because I'm black?
Okay. Sure, that's
I just got work. Y'all watch me.
Roll over on your stomach.
Yo, I can't control. My wife grabbed my hand.
Because you don't listen.
I just got work.
Yeah.
Why is y'all harassing me? I just got work, literally.
Alright.
Like, what the fuck did I do? Like, I just got out the hospital.
Just
I
stay
just got
there.
shot up, all type of shit. Why is y'all grabbing on me like this?
Because you have a gun in your waistband and you're reaching for
For
it,
my,
man.
for my
Put your
protection.
head down.
I didn't do nothing to y'all.
Stop, relax your body.
I didn't do nothing to y'all.
Relax your body.
Why is y'all harassing me? Y'all just stopped me when I was coming from work. What did I do? I literally just got off work.
No.
What did I do?
I guess we could put it
You're not telling me what I did. Y'all just stopped me because I'm black.
Okay.
Racist. I'm filing a lawsuit. Lawyer. Bro, I didn't do shit to you. And you black. You supposed to respect me like you black. You cricket as fuck. I just got work, literally. Bringing food for my mom and shit. Y'all just stopped me. I didn't do nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not causing no problems. Nothing. What's the whole point of me getting stopped? Can I call my mom? Can I call my mom? I have a right to call somebody. Can I call my mom?
No.
Why can't I?
Because I said no.
What was you even stopping me for?
What?
I just got work.
You don't have no lights on your
Yeah.
bike.
Why you chasing me for what?
He hasn't been serious.
What was you even stopping me for?
What?
I just got work.
You don't have no lights on your
Yeah.
bike.
Why you
dude.
chasing me for what?
He hasn't been serious yet.
There's a lot of lights on me.
What?
I just got work.
Lights
sir.
on your bike. You still need lights on your
Yo,
bike.
I want to pass you
Spread your
across the
feet
street.
apart. Spread your feet apart.
You see how the sidewalk is? How can I cross the street, sir?
Huh?
How can I cross the
I
street? See
said
how the
there's no
sidewalk
lights
is?
on your bike.
What do my lights have to do with anything? I just got work.
Okay.
Y'all just see me.
You still need
It's
to
a whole
abide
police
by
officer.
traffic laws.
There's a whole police officer inside my job.
Huh?
Who's a whole police officer who beats inside my job?
Okay.
Just there, just now.
Okay.
If
Why,
it says-
why didn't you stop when
Y'all
I said to
just
stop?
What did I have to stop for? I didn't do shit.
I told you.
I just got work.
You don't got no lights on your bike.
Ain't no probable cause. Ain't no lights on your bike.
That is
I'm not
probable
in a motor
cause.
vehicle.
It
I'm
doesn't
not in a
matter.
motor vehicle.
The bike is a vehicle.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
It's
is.
not a motor vehicle.
I didn't say motor vehicle. I said vehicle.
21.
Y'all crazy,
Don't
bro.
run.
I just got work. Why y'all
Don't
fucking
run.
running?
Don't
Why
run.
is y'all messing with me? I just got work.
Don't run.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay.
I wasn't running. I'm trying to go home. I just had a long ass
When
day.
I say stop,
I'm working
when the
since
police
2
say
this
stop
morning.
and the lights are
I'm
on,
working
you
since
stop.
2 p.m.
When the lights are on, the police say stop, you stop.
Like, what did I do?
All right? I keep telling
Like, why
you.
y'all keep fucking with me? I just got out of jail.
I'm not fucking with
Y'all
you.
is.
No.
I didn't do nothing, sir. Y'all just stopped me coming from work.
We're doing
All I
traffic.
did was cross the street.
It's a traffic violation.
Sir, y'all was just at the fucking bar right beside my job, messing with people. I just got off. Y'all see me.
We are not just
Y'all
messing
just
with
see
people.
me.
Stop yelling.
Y'all just see me come from work. What did I do?
This is ridiculous.
What did I do?
You have a pistol?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What did I do? Y'all just see me come from work. For my protection. People trying to kill me this past year.
Okay.
My naked shit all fucked up. Look at me.
What's your name again?
Y'all don't see my face. Y'all don't see my whole body. I'm fucked up.
What's your name?
Why's your heart beating so fast?
Because,
She's
sir.
not allowed to have a gun.
Oh, you're not?
You still live over there on like 11th or 12th or what it is?
Like, this shit's for my protection. Y'all fucking with me. I just got. I don't do shit to nobody.
Yeah.
I'm getting up working. He chasing me.
It was in his,
You get out the car chasing me for what?
I
What did
just
you turn the
told
lights
you.
on?
I just told you.
Cause my bike.
You don't have
Y'all
lights
just see
on
me
your
cross
bike.
the street. Y'all didn't cut the lights on until I got all the way to Turkey Hill.
Yeah, 'cause
That's weird.
We want it to be safe, so you're not in the very middle of the
So
street.
you could have did it as soon as I crossed the street. Y'all watched me. Y'all didn't turn the lights on
It
until I got
doesn't matter,
Turkey
dude.
Hill.
You want to swap clothes?
Can I talk to my mom? Can I call my
Spread your
mom?
feet. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're a big boy. Spread your feet apart.
You're not supposed to have a
Spread your feet apart.
But these cuts is hurting my
I know. I'm
hand.
about to fix them. I'm about to
Like, what
fix
the
them.
fuck? Y'all chasing
Spread
me
your
up.
feet apart.
Fucking me up. Y'all see how my body
Spread
is.
your feet apart.
I got wounds, bro.
I'm switching these cuffs out.
I got
okay?
wounds. Why is y'all hurting me?
Because you are not
And you know who I
compliant.
am, so why is you fucking with me? I didn't do nothing to y'all.
You're breaking the law.
Like, I don't have no record. Why y'all trying to give me a record?
You're breaking the law.
My doing this. I didn't do shit, sir. I just got off work.
I don't care.
I'll throw it in my car.
Like, can y'all take me home?
No.
Please?
You're
No.
a felon.
Why, sir? Please?
Why did you? I don't know why you did.
I didn't do nothing. I just got to work, so y'all just see me get on work.
You're not allowed to have a
I
gun.
crossed the street. Y'all said I was. Y'all just stopped me. Told me like, stop. He started chasing me. I didn't. I just got to
Well,
work.
you didn't stop.
I just got to work though, sir. I didn't
didn't
understand what
stop.
y'all was talking
When
about.
the police tell you to stop, you gotta stop.
Sir,
Don't act like you don't know what we're
I'm not
talking
going
about.
nowhere. I'm trying to fix myself. Like, I'm out of breath and all y'all keep manhandling me
Yeah,
around.
you're out of breath because you ran
Because
from
why
the
y'all
police.
chasing me? You failed trying to chase me. Y'all's the idiot.
I fell twice and still got your ass.
But I didn't. Why are you chasing me
Stop
for?
turning, man. Stop
I
Why are
just
you
told
chasing
you.
me for?
I just told
I
you.
just got work. I
You
didn't
were
do nothing.
projecting.
You're not giving me a proper reason why y'all stopped me.
I just told you.
There's no lights on
You
your
don't have
bike.
lights on your bike.
You're riding on the sidewalk.
Get him in the cruiser.
Exactly, I'm riding on the sidewalk. Make it make sense.
You're
It's
not
a
allowed
bike
to.
lane.
You're not allowed
That's against
to.
the law.
It's a bike lane in the street. I was in the street when y'all stopped me. So what are you talking about? I was in the street
You're
when y'all
not allowed to
stopped
ride
me.
your bike on the sidewalk.
I was in the streets.
You were on the sidewalk.
I was in the street when you stopped me, sir. You see how Turkey Hill is? Can you take me home?
No.
Cameron, who is legally prohibited from carrying a concealed handgun, was found armed and taken into custody. He was charged with carrying a concealed weapon, failure to comply, and riding a bike on the sidewalk without a headlight. He later pled guilty to carrying a concealed weapon and was sentenced to 3 years of probation with 180 days on the shelf and credit for 110 days of time served.